Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We have a brand new knife. This is the Benchmade Full Immunity in Woodland Green. And the part number is 290BK-2. So the Benchmade Full Immunity folding knives are tough with an anodized aluminum handle in the Woodland Green color. The black Cobalt Cerakote blade is made from CPM M4 super steel, and the blade itself measures just under 2.5 inches. It measures 5.94 inches while opened and 3.6 inches when closed, and it only weighs 2.29 ounces. It includes Benchmade's axis locking mechanism, as you can see here, and it includes a really nice beaded lanyard for quick retrieval out of your pocket. This knife is made in the USA, and for pricing and more details, please see the description below. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video to be alerted on other new products coming soon. Thank you for watching PremiumSelectSupplies.com.